County in northeastern Ohio, East Central Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mogador, 7 miles southwest of Ravenna, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Hudson, Talmadge, Streetsboro, Mogador, Garrettsville, Manaway, Stowe, Brimfield, Monroe Falls, Silver Lake, Wyndham, Hiram, Brady Lake, Sugarbush Knolls, and Wayland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Portage, and Summit.
I'm next.
My ears fell off.
Are you guys
Flooded